guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be my full furnished apartment tour, plus including some Christmas decor. So if you want to see my apartment, then just keep watching. Alrighty guys, first things first is the front door. Nothing too special about that, but whenever you do walk in, this is what you see. I believe I had this in one of my other vlogs that had to do with the apartment, but Happiness is Homemade. I got that from Target, and then I got these two things from Target. This is actually a pot plant, but I just ended up putting it here, and that's where we throw our keys in, and then just a little decor here. And whenever you walk in as well, there is this front closet. There's nothing too special about this. I just kind of have a bunch of random things in here, cleaning supplies, and then a bunch of junk that I do not need. So this is an overview. Okay, now first things first, this is the kitchen, of course. Nothing too special, but I did get these towels from, I think, hello, what are you doing? I did get these towels from, I think, Marshall's, and we just have our coffee pot and our coffee. We have been obsessed with the Dunkin' coffee lately, and I did change my sign to "May your days be merry and bright," just to kind of keep it a little bit festive. Our sink right there. I did want to show you our little cabinet for our alcohol and stuff. It's not too crazy, but we did just come back from Vegas, so we did get a shot glass. We kind of want to start collecting shot glasses anytime we go somewhere. Then this was last year when we went to Disney, and then this year earlier we went to Cabo, and this is the one that we got. Super cute. Just close that up. And then over here we have the island. Let me just kind of zoom out a little bit for you guys. This I did get at Home Goods, and it's super cute. I love all of the detailing on it. Just a cute little Christmas tree. And then I just have a candle from Bath and Body Works right there. I don't have anything here that has to do with like Christmas, you know, decor. It's just like all of our pictures that I've had before. Then we did have to move our camera here because it was by the TV. Over here we just have our calendar, refrigerator, nothing too special here. But I believe in one of the other vlogs I did have a black table, which I did get rid of that one, and I bought this new one, which I am obsessed with. It's kind of like giving like the wood vibes, and then I love the black accents on it, and the chairs do kind of match. I believe we got both of them off of Walmart, I think. The table is from Walmart. The chairs, I don't remember where they're from. Now moving over here, we have the circle mirror from Target. I love the black accent on it. These sparkly Christmas trees are from Target as well. I got them last year. And as well as the stocking holder, I got them both from Target. It came in a set, and then the stockings are from Target as well. So I just wanted to keep it kind of neutral. I love the white knitted, and this is actually my grandma's. I'm not sure where she got it from, but I definitely wanted to keep a piece of her Christmas stuff. Whenever it was Christmas time, she would literally go all out for Christmas. So I'm glad I was able to grab that from her, well, from her house. This was actually my grandma's as well. She had it in her entryway at her house, so I took that as well. This vase is from Home Goods, and then this pampas grass is from Hobby Lobby. And this little bird was actually in one of the plants at my grandma's funeral. So I did bring the plant home, but unfortunately it did end up dying outside during the freeze and stuff. So yeah, I just decided to keep the little bird. Then coming this way is the living room. Nothing too spectacular. It's not the biggest living room, but it definitely fits us perfectly. We did end up getting the couch from Rooms to Go. I know I had said I wanted to put something on the walls here, but I just decided not to because I couldn't find what I wanted, and for us to just be renting, I didn't want to have to, you know, make a bunch of holes. But the pillows did come with the couch, the patterned ones, and then this one I got at Target, and that one I got at Walmart. Now turning around this way, I do have these two paintings from us, actually. We did these paintings in Austin at Painting with a Twist. So here's just another little overview. Okay, and then our Christmas tree, the Christmas tree topper was my grandma's as well, so I'm glad I was able to you know, bring that home with me too. And then this is our Christmas tree. Obsessed. It's not the biggest Christmas tree, but it's our first Christmas like in our own home together, so it was definitely nice like putting it all together. And then Dexter has his own ornament, and yeah. Now coming over here to the TV, nothing too spectacular as well. These little reindeers I got from Hobby Lobby, and I have these twinkle lights here, but I turn them on and off every now and then just because I think it kind of like, I don't know, tell me what you think. Does it look cute like that? Yeah, I think it looks cute. So that's that. Dexter's little toy box with all of his toys in there. So that's what this looks like. Very minimalistic. You know, nothing too fancy. Moving on to the bedroom. This is an overview as well. Okay. Walking in, I have my Dyson hooked to the wall. It's just very convenient to have it right there. Of course, my big mirror I had from IKEA. And then all of this I had in my old room, which we kind of just made it into, I pretty much like if you could grab my room from my mom's house and then just kind of throw it in here, this is exactly what we did. So yeah, nothing too spectacular. We just have our dresser here. We did used to have a TV, but we ended up getting rid of that because we never used it. So of course my vanity over there, and then I've been kind of like putting stuff away that I want to donate or sell. Coming in this way, we have the restroom. Nothing again too fancy, just a big walk-in shower. Like that. And lastly, our closet. It is a bit of a mess. I have all of my bags and purses up here. And then of course that's Omar's side, you can tell. We did get the apartment with this rack already built in, so we just kind of have our shoes thrown all right here. And then you can tell his side and then my side. So yeah. Oh, and then we also have this linen closet. We have our beach towels up there, and then the rest are just other towels and extra stuff there. So yeah. Okay, and I also want to show you the outside. We do have a like storage closet here. Don't mind my mop, I was letting it air out. But I did have Omar install these like twinkle lights. So this is our view. This is what they call the beer garden outside. And then right there is actually a fire pit, and then back there is other grills outside, and they have like the little cornhole over there. But yeah, this is just our little view from outside. I love my twinkle lights. Shout out to you, babe. And Dexter loves to come outside and just watch people and play. So yep, that is just an overview of our Christmas decor slash full furnished apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!